Thukuru wa Nairobi University ni wikoretio kimuriko ringi gukerekana ukoretwo kinyenya kumana na urugamiriri muru uria cungiriirie mugaruruku matongoria mahinda kwa mahinda. Kurumirira ndugamano ici cio tongoria Kiama kia ARUTANI ya University cia MUINGI UASU maugite matikwirorera thukuru uyu uria niguo mukuru na munene guku bururi-ini uthingithio na njira ya maundu gutafanio kiundutho. Atongoria a kiama giki maugite mogaruruku thukuru-ini uyu no nginyagia makinyanirio kuringana na watho na oho mishara ya aruti wira irihwo kwaga uguo maige miro yao thi ihinda-ini ria thiku MUGWANJA.
That the University Council needs to act on the demands we are asking. Failure of which we will go back to our members and ask them to shelve their labor.
Ningi UASU ni mokereire giko gia KANJU ya university no KUHAMURITHIA Professor Stephen Kiama ta murugamiriri munene wa university no makiuga njirere rahuthikire ni ya kumwagira gitio kuona akiroka wabici juma ya kiumia kihituku akorire thigari iria cia mugiririe kuingira riu makienda thirikari eigirire ndeto eno.
Deploying armed police in full combat gear to the university towers is wrong and it is not in good taste. Humiliating a full professor.
Kuringana na muikariri giti wa KANJU no Professor Amukowa Anangwe, Professor Kiama ahamurithitio kumana na mateta ma aruti wira amwe a arutwo na oho thire uria university no irinaguo wa KRA uria wabatirite kuma ciringi bilioni 9 nginyagia bilioni 20. UASU makiuga KANJU no ifatie gutwara wira wa maundu maria kiamecukirwo kuri honge cio thuthuria.
Everyone is occupying a new office. And there are those who have been removed, and we don't understand why they were removed. If Professor Kiama had committed those offenses that led to his suspension, why were other officers, DVCs, also removed and replaced?
If he did not get the information from the union leadership in at the University of Nairobi, then we don't know where he got the issues he addressed yesterday from.
Ningi UASU ni morotete KANJU no kumana na mogaruruku motongoria mahonge itiganite university nino maria mecukeire marahanyukio ni gukorwo gutire na minister wa githomo.
Hatujaona chochote cha maana ambacho umeweza kutufanyia isipokuwa tu kutupitisha kila mara katika migogoro ambayo ni ya kutaka tu kusimamia au kutumia rasilimali za chuo.
The university will be and should be run as a respectable corporate entity and not some half-wit banana organization. Akiaria
na session itiganite muthenya wa kiumia munini wa president Rigathi wa Gachagua nionekanire kurarakwo ni uria Professor Kiama ahamurithirio akiuga ni akoretwo akiuria gitumi gia Kiama kugagaywo no akerwo ari na ukabira.
Kumarira kwa hiyo Kiama ni mweru ndari ona thayo na Professor Kiama ni professor korone kuri university ithiite wega thiini wa Kenya itari kaundu kariku kana kariku ni university ya Nairobi no riu ri professor ucio ni aragio ati tarugo mothe maguthiite kuona gunsi kumuingata professor mugima mundu hetwo gitio mundu wandikite international papers mundu hetwo gitio all over the world matindaga makimugia ndori yari aragio ni kingerwo ndimukabira
Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muirori.